Hi, sorry guys, I've been gone for quite a while. I'm so busy at work. I have a lot of things I need to finish before the end of the day. Sorry, end of the year, and this is why I am preoccupied with a lot of stuff going on in my life. I really don't have time to edit videos or even film one. This is me coming back, and I just want to tell you guys that thank you for staying with me even after the giveaway. So this past few days, I'm actually like a bit curious about color correcting because as you can see, I have a lot of marks on my face. So I studied color correcting, asked a lot of my MUA friends what they do, what is the good steps I should take, what are tips they can give me in terms of color correcting and all of those stuff. So that's the thing I'm gonna be doing today. I saw this product on Beauty Manila. It's still packed. It's the Suesh makeup toolkit, color corrector and concealer palette, and I saw this in Beauty Manila. They have all of these beautiful colors, and I haven't tried it yet actually. Just opening it right now. Ooh, this is really nice. This is the color correcting, and it's supposed to help you conceal as well. It has different shades for your skin type, so this is really nice. This is really good for MUAs to bring everywhere if they're dealing with different kind of skin tone clients. And of course, they have the basic color correcting colors over here. I wonder why they don't have the lilac. So the lilac is actually like kind of a purplish tone, and yeah, I'm gonna explain all of it later on. So to proceed with that, this is also a little tutorial about color correcting. As I've said, I've been researching about it, I've been learning about it this past few days. I've asked a lot of people about it, so I do have a handful of knowledge I want to share with you about color correcting and the things that I realized during the time that I was away. I realized that I don't want to go with makeup that is too much. I don't want to go with makeup other people are doing because it's their makeup journey. What works for them doesn't necessarily have to work for me. So I'm just gonna use my YouTube channel to discover my makeup and tips that works for my skin type and for me. So since I'm already very angled, I realize I'm not really that much into contouring or that much into bronzing, but hey, I'm still going to teach you how to use those stuff, but probably gonna stick in the long run with something more wearable, something that's me, you know, not from this YouTuber, from this influencer. I want a makeup that, you know, that I myself really like. Okay, so I pretty much said everything. Let's get started. So when it comes to color correcting, you have to follow this color wheel. As you can see, color wheel shows to you which orange is like in front of a specific color that's kind of blue. So from that you can see that orange cancel out the blue color. So orange or peach colors cancels out dark circles, high pigmentation, or really dark acne scar. Normally for dark skin tones, you're going to use deeper orange like this one. And then for light to medium skin tones, it is preferable to use something a little lighter like this little peach over here. Blue colors, it's normally around this part. As you can see, it's a bit bluish because it's an under eye, like eye bags. So this is normally where you would put the orange. And then for this one, this is kind of a red because it's still kind of fresh. So based on my notes, green is for redness, blemish, or rosacea, and sunburn, so anything a little bit red. So my favorite makeup artist is Hindash. Makeup tutorial he does, he actually starts with a skincare routine. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna be using the Aloe Vera Serum. As you know, I'm a marketing person from a company abroad, and we're testing out different kinds of products. We tested out a lot of aloe vera serums, and out of all those stuff that we tested, finally agreed to find this one. Has a lot of vitamins, vitamin E on it, and then also aloe vera, of course, and all those good stuff on your face. So this one is actually the final tester that they sent to me, and we love it so much we just kept using it anyway. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my face, put it all over my face. So aloe vera is very good to minimize the redness on your face, and also like soothes any inflammation that you have. It's really nice. So if you feel like you need more of that, just go on, continue on. But normally 3 drops from here, here, and here is quite okay. It's that. And after that, Avene Hydrants Intense. So this is a French brand, and I only got this from a dermatologist to ask my boyfriend to buy one in France, so that's why I can have stock up of everything. So this is really nice. This is a rehydrating serum, and yeah, you should apply this on your face before you apply the sunblock. Do this, and then like massage it on your face. Okay, so the next one I'm going to use is a primer. So for this one, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So this is the dupe for the Tatcha Primer. This is the cheaper one. Poop it out a little bit. Put it on here, just like that, all over your face. Okay, so now that we're primed and ready, we're gonna go for the color correcting. This one, so for the red, again, you're gonna use the green tone over here. And then just like scoop out a little bit of that green. Stab it like that. Get a little bit, and then just press it on the areas that needed correcting. So for the red areas, I do have a very noticeable spot here. So losing your fingers for color correcting is actually very efficient because you want the product to sink in. So you need your fingers like push it in to your skin. It really blends it all out. Okay, so as you can see, we are actually trying to color correct it, not conceal it. So don't really be crazy about putting so much product. The lighter the better. Just blend it all out like this. So that's that. And okay. For the dark parts of your eyes, you should take something, for my skin type, something a little bit peachy, like this one. I accidentally took the orange, which I shouldn't be, but that's why you can see a little bit of usage there. But I put it on my hand and I'm like, oh, okay, I'm supposed to use the peach. So I'm gonna get a little bit of this peach over here. So put it on the back of my hand, like that, and then place it on the areas that are like a bit dark and bluish, like under eye, this part. And then we're gonna get us a concealer. So for the concealer, it's different from the color correcting. So for concealer, you have to darken the areas that you want to conceal or hide, or maybe this one will work. Let's try that. So I'm just gonna get a little bit. In a way, it smells kind of weird. I don't know if it's just me. It's a weird smell, but tolerable. Just blend concealer. Once you're done with all of those stuff, we're gonna get our favorite Forever Fit Me foundation over here, the hand here. So makeup remover, stipple the foundation. So you can see the technique I'm doing is dabbing, not like dragging it across the face. It's because you don't want to like mix up your color correctors everywhere, so that this kind of technique kind of holds it in the place where you want it to be. Otherwise, if you do like this, the green, we're gonna go everywhere here, and the concealer here is gonna go everywhere around this area and everywhere else. It's gonna be messy. So just do a dabbing motion like this. make sure you blend it out properly. So this is the Michelle D brush. Yes, I reviewed this. Yes, I said I'm gonna use this again, but I don't have any brushes with me right now, so this will do. As I've said, it does the job. Just could have done the job better, but again, I don't have brushes with me. I'll remove my head. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you're blended and all corrected and concealed on the neck as well. So you can see it's a bit brighter on the face. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to give it a little bit of bronzing and contouring, so it kind of like works everything together. So first, I'm not really a fan of contouring, as I've said, because you know I already have a very defined face, and I feel like if I keep contouring, it's just gonna get even more defined. I'm gonna look like a freaking skeleton. So we're just gonna contour it very lightly and bronze it a little bit, just to have a little, you know, life back to our face. Hey everyone, so this is it. This is the final look of what we did for the color correcting. So far, I love the palette. The palette, just a little bit amount goes a long way. So the Suesh makeup toolkit is over here. It's really nice, and for makeup artists, you know, if you're gonna deal with different kind of skin color, this is a really good palette, and you can get this in Beauty Manila, and I highly recommend it. It has a little bit of a smell, but I don't think it's gonna be a huge problem. It's because it didn't really bother me as much, unless you're gonna kind of do like sniff it out like that. It smells kind of neutral. I think that's the perfect term. And so I really recommend this one. This is not a sponsored post again. Beauty Manila did not pay me this one again, and this retails around on here. Also know that the orange is for dark skin tones. So if you have a bit darker skin tone and you want to cancel out the blue, so I suggest you use something like this. But if you have a light to medium skin tone, you use something like peach one. Again, just a reminder. And then these ones are all concealers. I think these four are the only color correctors, and the rest are like concealers. So overall, I like this product, and you can get it again in Beauty Manila. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and subscribe below and ring the notification bell. Bye bye from catchingcarla.com.